Inflammation with ADHD does not just affect your brain and your mood, it also affects how your gut functions. This meta-analysis that was published last year shows that people who have ADHD have a higher odds ratio, meaning a higher likelihood of developing things like irritable bowel syndrome. Like ADHD, IBS is also very multifactorial. ADHD is associated with increased oxidative stress and neuroinflammation. Oxidative stress is a byproduct of how all of our cells function. When our mitochondria use oxygen to make energy in our cells, this produces something that are called free radicals. Free radicals can be combated with things like antioxidants from our food. But if the ratio of free radicals is higher than the ratio of antioxidants that are available to combat them, then we end up with damage because these free radicals, which means that there's an unpaired electron. Let me know if you want a video on this specifically because I'll explain it in detail if you comment. These free unpaired electrons go on to wreak havoc in the rest of our body. They create damage. Damage leads to inflammation. What this paper suggests is that this might not be the only cause. The inflammation might also be because we have a fundamentally different gut microbiome. The problem with this is that our gut is where we absorb nutrients. We don't have the same gut microbiome to process and absorb the nutrients that we need to then combat the free radicals. This perpetuates the cycle. This is why things like diet and exercise are so essential for ADHD. These are not optional. These are as important as taking your medication every day. They talk about gut microbiome therapy as comprehensive wraparound medicine. We are taking things like probiotic supplements and food. Recognize the gut-brain axis as a key player in ADHD. And they talk about not just the brain-based relationships, but also endocrine, which is your hormone systems. So basically your gut health influences everything else, and ADHD is a multi-system disorder. Understanding your body as a complex system is the medicine, and if you want to learn more about this, comment systems below. Let me know if you want more information about this, and follow me for more information about your ADHD health. Share this with somebody who would benefit from this video too.